Okay, good day everyone. Today we'll be solving a question from Electrical Engineering Service Examinations Prelims 2019 Set A paper. Okay, now the question is given as this. What are the values of k for which the system of equations, that is 3k minus 8x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 0, 3x plus 3k minus 8y plus 3z equal to 0, 3x plus 3y plus 3k minus 8z is equal to 0 has non-trivial solutions, and we have given with 4 options. Okay, now let's solve this problem. So this this set of equation is in the form of Ax is equal to 0, where A is this matrix 3k minus 8 3 3 3 3k minus 8 3 3 3 and 3k minus 8. Okay, now this is of the form of A is equal to A into X is equal to 0. Okay, now to have non-trivial solution, okay, that is non-zero solution, to have non-trivial or non-zero solution, we have this condition, that is rank of the matrix should be less than number of variables. Okay, we have number of variables here as x y z, 3 variables. Okay, so what we get as the order of the matrix A is 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so rank of the matrix should be less than number of variables. Number of variables are 3. So order of the matrix, okay, order of the matrix is 3 cross 3 matrix A. Order of matrix A is 3 cross 3. So rank of the matrix should be less than number of variables, and this can be satisfied when determinant of A is equal to 0. Now why is that? Because when determinant of A is equal to 0, then the matrix is a singular matrix, and for singular matrix, rank of matrix is less than number of order, and here number of order is a number of variables which is 3. So all we have to find out is that what is the condition, or that is what is the value of k for which determinant of A is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the matrix and its determinant is like this, and we have to find out that for what condition this determinant is equal to 0. Okay, for what values of k. So we have to simplify this determinant and equate it to 0. Okay, let's simplify this determinant, and we will use this trick. We will cross multiply. Okay, how to cross multiply to solve it quickly? Let's see. Okay, 3k minus 8, so we will cross multiply. Okay, 3k minus 8 into 3k minus 8 into 3k minus 8, 3k minus 8 cube. Okay, then 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube, then 3 into 3 into 3, again 3 cube. Then we will cross multiply like this. Okay, opposite diagonal. So 3 into 3k minus 8 into 3, that is 9 into 3k minus 8, but we will put a minus sign. Okay, so here minus 9 into 3k minus 8. Okay, and then again we will cross multiply. Okay, 3 with this 3, then with this 3k minus 8. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3k minus 8, that is 9 into 3k minus 8. Okay, but we will put a minus sign. Okay, this term. Okay, then we will again cross multiply, and this time the last term that is remaining, that is 3k minus 8 with this 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3k minus 8, that is 9 into 3k minus 8, and we will put a minus sign. So this is the simplest trick, fastest way to solve a determinant. Now suppose we have this determinant. Okay, a b c d e f g h I. Okay, now if we solve this determinant, okay, what we have is a e I, okay, plus d h c plus g b f, okay, minus g e c minus h f a minus I D B. So this is the trick to solve this determinant quickly. Now we will solve this equation. Okay, we have this 3k minus 8, okay, whole cube. Okay, then we have 3q 3q, then we have this 3k minus 8 into 9 3 times. Okay, so we will write this as 3k minus 8 q plus 2 into 3q minus 3 into 9 3k minus 8, and we will solve it. Okay, like this. We'll take 3q as common, and then we will solve and we will get this equation. Okay, now we don't need to proceed solving it further. What we can do is we can do a trick. Okay, we have this, we'll look at this option and we'll find out that we have these numbers 2 by 3, 11 by 3 and 10 by 3. Okay, these three numbers are there only in the option, so let's put them in this equation, and let's see which one number is satisfying this equation. So uh, we will separately put the value of 2 by 3 put the value of k, which is equal to 2 by 3, 11 by 3 and 10 by 3 in this equation, and see that which value of k satisfies the equation. Okay, first we put 2 by 3 in the equations, this equation. Okay, then what we got is 2 by 3 satisfies the equation. Okay, then we put 11 by 3 in the equation, and we see that 11 by 3 also satisfy the equation. But when we are putting 10 by 3 in the equation, the equation is not 0. Okay, so this is this value of k not satisfying the equation. Okay, now we see the option. Okay, we check the option. Okay, so here it is 10 by 3, but 10 by 3 is not satisfying the equation, so these two options will get cancelled. Okay, this can't be a solution and this can't be a solution. Now here there is 3 11 by 3, but this can't be the solution, as 2 by 3 is also a solution, which is also a number which is satisfying the equation. So 2 by 3 has to be the value of k, so option D is correct, where we have 2 by 3 and 11 by 3 two times. Okay, so option D is the answer. Thank you.